again! Happy Wednesday! I hope you've had a good week so far. Today we're learning about unicellular organisms. Now today's lesson builds off of both Monday and Tuesday. So if for whatever reason you haven't done those lessons yet, it's really important that you go back and do those lessons before you start this video. Okay? Cool. Let's get started. All right, today's learning objective is students will be able to argue whether a single cell can be alive. Today is a little bit different in that we're not doing a short quiz like Monday and Tuesday. Instead, the assessment today is a CER essay. That's a claim, evidence, reasoning essay. Like Monday and Tuesday though, you still need to watch this video and take notes, do the assignment, the essay, and submit those notes and your CER. Remember yesterday we learned about what a cell is and some of the parts of a cell, including the cell membrane, which is that gate that surrounds the cell. There's the cytoplasm, that jelly-like fluid that sits inside of the cell and everything is suspended in that cytoplasm. The nucleus, which is the brains of the cell, tells everything what to do. And the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse. Remember, the mitochondria is where cellular respiration happens. On Monday, we learned about what makes a living organism living. And we remember there are 4 things that all living organisms do, which is use energy, grow and reproduce, respond to their environment, and maintain a stable internal environment. Now we're going to use these ideas of these 4 characteristics of living organism to explore a new type of cell that we're going to look at today. Now we know that plants and animals, which we can see, are made of cells, and most of those cells are smaller than the eye can see. Here are some pictures of individual cells that are not found in plants or animals. We call this unicellular because there is just one cell. Again, unicellular means one cell. In a moment, I'm going to show you a video of some single cells. While you watch, I want you to just write down what you notice. Write down your observations. How are the cells moving? What do you see them doing? Okay, so what were we looking at in that video? Like I said, those were cells. Each of those little things that you saw floating around were cells. Now, were they alive? Can a single cell or unicellular organism be alive on its own? You are going to answer that question in CER format. First, you're going to write a claim, which is one sentence to answer the question. Next, you're going to talk about the evidence. Now, your evidence is what you observed in that video. In the reasoning section, you're going to use what you know about the 4 characteristics of life. That is that living organisms use energy, grow and reproduce, respond to the environment, and maintain a stable internal environment to describe why your evidence supports your claim. You're going to write this in a Google form. The link to that Google form is in today's document. All right, good luck.